start recording that. Sorry, I always like to do things legit, get it recorded. So box 13, David A, Trent, Bonnie, Trent, Kelly, and Ethan, Dave, and Bonnie, Trent, and Paul. So, like I said, I always like to make sure everything's recorded live, good stuff. And the box number ending in 914. So that's good luck. It's my birthday. So let's get started, guys. I'm going to release the box number 14 spots directly after this, and we will most likely, I imagine, guys, we're going to bust tonight. So we'll just go ahead and keep an eye on that. So it'll be up right after this. I don't want to make anybody go away from the break or anything. So anyway, good luck to everybody. And here we go. First pack, we got Mike Wallace for the Steelers. Kellen Winslow. Johnny White, New Generation. That's going to be numbered 151 out of 999. There we go for the Billers. That's Kelly J. We got Brandon Marshall and Mario Manningham. Hope everybody hung in there on Mondays. I know there's kind of a drag. I took mine off today. I had to recover after my vacay. Julius Peppers, Matt Stafford, and oh boy, DeMarco Murray, and it's going to be numbered 463 out of 999. So we can see right there, hopefully. Huh. Come on. Nope. There we go. And that is just the certified potential there. Sorry, I didn't mean to build that up so much. Because the hit is right here, and it's actually a Mike Allstott, number 25 of 49. And that is a fabric of the game for the Buccaneers. Nice little retro hit there. That's kind of cool for the Bucks. David A. Doing well tonight. The last two cards here. Andre Johnson for the Texans and Fred Jackson. So we still got 3 hits left. Let's see. We got Jeremy Maclin and James Laurinaitis, and a weird parallel, Donovan McNabb. That's for the Vikings. And that's going to be 29 of 250. Nice hit there for the Vikings. Kelly J. And we got Dwayne Bowe and Dahani Jones. So hopefully it's not getting too late for you guys, but like I said, I'm going to release the new spots right after this. Tony Gonzo, Reggie Wayne, Jaquiz Rogers, and that is New Generation for the Falcons. That's going to be 563 out of 999. And filler. Jared Mayo and Jabbar Gaffney. So we still got 3 hits left, so this makes it interesting. LaDainian Tomlinson, Patrick Willis, and oh boy, Terrell McLean for the Panthers. And that's going to be numbered 168 out of 999. Nice little semi-hit for the Panthers. Trent. Steve Breston for the Chiefers. And Kevin Walter for the Texans. Still waiting on these last hits. Here's one. Let's see what we got. We got Devin Hester for the Bears. Adrian Peterson. Felix Jones. And ooh, a little retro for the Cowboys. A little Emmitt Smith guy. Let's see what this looks like. It's 96 out of 99. So let's take a peek. It's not autoed, but still, nonetheless, nice hit there, Trent. Jersey card there of Emmitt Smith for the Cowboys. Nice little hit there, brother. And Stevie Johnson. And Tony Romo. All right. We got Sean Green, Frank Gore, and running back Ryan Williams. And that's a certified potential. And that's going to be numbered 231 out of 999. Nice hit there. I thought this was one of the hits, but it is not. It is a filler. Then we got Hakeem Nicks, which he's getting targeted every second tonight. And Charles Woodson. So, last 3 packs. Not the big one in here. We got Reggie Bush and Clay Matthews and a Peyton Hillis for the Brownies, and this is going to be short printed. It's one of the mirror images. Nice, 250 out of 250. Nice hit there. A little filler. CJ Spiller and a Mike Thomas. So if I'm correct, I feel like we only have 2 hits. So these are 2 hits. Well, they better be. Yep, there's one. All right, let's check it out. Where are we at in the game, actually? I just want to make sure, give you guys a better time frame. NFL.com. Sorry, I should just peek out the window, or out my door. All right, so we got Donovan McNabb. So it's third quarter, 4:26. So we'll break at the beginning of the fourth quarter. How about that? The box 14 if it sells out. Malcolm Floyd, Chris Johnson, and oh my goodness, another freshman fabric. There we got a Carson Palmer for the Bengals, and Vicente Shanko. So let's get that checklist. And this one's pretty close to where we were last time. And number 268, card number 268, freshman fabric. So that's usually the I don't know if it's the auto or not, but nonetheless 268, and that is going to be your favorite, Kelly. I'm not sure if you like the Chiefs or not, but Kelly got the hit. John Baldwin, number 268. So congrats on the freshman fabric, Kelly. Newcomer just cleaning house. And the last pack here. Should be another, it's not. It might be a regular autograph. Ray Lewis, Mercedes Lewis, and yeah, for the Broncos, Quentin Carter auto. And that for the Bronx. Who's got the Bronx? Bonnie, of course. 233 out of 250. Nice hit there for you, Bonnie. And that's going to be a filler.